All right, everyone. It's Finance Friday, and today we're going to help you improve your credit score. So, if you've applied for a credit card or an auto loan, you've most likely heard of it, and it can have a huge impact on your life. So, Deirdre Davis, the Chief Marketing Officer with our sponsor, Michigan State University Federal Credit Union, joins us. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you. Great to be here.
So, credit score is such a huge, important part of our finances. But what is a credit score and how is it determined?
Sure. So a credit score is a number that ranges between about 300 and 850. And lenders use that score to help determine if you're likely to pay back the money that they might lend to you. And so the higher the score, the better that is, and typically the lower rate you'll get. So it's determined from 5 factors. So those 5 factors are your payment history, the amount that you owe, how long you've had credit history, how much new credit you've recently established, and then what kinds of credit that you have. So revolving versus term loans.
Okay, so for people who need to work on their credit scores a little bit, how can they improve these credit scores?
Sure. So there are definitely ways to improve your score. And I'd say the number one is to pay your bills on time. So one way to do that is set up automatic payments so that those payments are occurring regularly and automatically, so you don't have to worry about ever missing a payment. Also, you want to pay down your debt. And if you have anything that you're behind on or delinquent, you definitely want to bring that and get that current before you start paying off other debts. And then if you're going to apply for any new credit, make sure that you're only opening new credit that you actually need, because those multiple inquiries within a short amount of time can have a negative impact on your credit. And then lastly, I would say don't close your credit cards. So it's great if you can pay them down or pay them off, but leave them open, because that helps when the score is determined based on the total available limit, as well as the length of time you've had credit open and established.
Okay, so there's so much to it and all these pieces that we need to put together. But what would you say is the most important thing that people should know about their credit score?
Sure. So I would say that the most important thing is knowing that every year you can get a copy of your credit report from each of the 3 credit bureaus for free. So you can go to annualcreditreport.com, and a good strategy would be to get each of those about 4 months apart, so that you can keep an eye on your credit. And when you're looking at your credit report, then you can see if there's inaccuracies. You can dispute those and make sure they get corrected and don't harm your rating. And then also you'll see tips and tricks that maybe you can utilize to improve your score. So you'll see where there are problems, and then you can make a plan to improve, and that will help you in the long run.
I love it. It's all about the plan. So, what can MSUFCU do to help?
Yeah, so we offer all of our members who have either a loan or a checking account with us their free credit score on a quarterly basis. And how that helps members is then when you're aware of something, of course, then you can make that plan. And so whatever your score is, we give you tips and guidance on how to improve that score, and let you know maybe if the score is not so great, what are factors influencing that, again, so that you can help improve those. And then we also offer a lot of different free financial education, whether that's online or in person. Once we're back to get to that, able to get back to that, where we really teach you about the smart use of credit. So it's not just running up credit bills; it's using it wisely to establish a really great rating.
I love everything that you're talking about, Deirdre. Thank you so much for this great information.
Absolutely, thank you.
Have a great weekend.
You also.
Thank you. Well, to become a member of the MSU Federal Credit Union, learn more about how they can help you and your family plan your financial future. And to learn more about all that they have to offer, visit the website msufcu.org. Jason, over to you.